Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your HUD display refuses to connect to Wi-Fi or keeps showing an offline status, it can prevent your schedules, photos, and family information from updating properly. Wi-Fi connection problems on the HUD display can happen because of incorrect network settings, temporary software glitches, weak signals, or router-related interruptions. The good thing is that most connectivity issues can be resolved without performing a complete reset. Before assuming there's something seriously wrong with the device, there are several simple things you can try. In this video, I'll walk you through a few troubleshooting steps that may help restore the Wi-Fi connection on your HUD display. Try these. Step 1. Make sure the Hearth display is within range of your wireless network and receiving a strong signal. Step 2. Verify that the Wi-Fi password entered on the Hearth display is correct. Step 3. Restart your router and then allow the Hearth display to reconnect automatically. Step 4. Disconnect the hard display from power for a few minutes to refresh the system. Step 5. Open the network settings on the hard display and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Step 6. Confirm that the hard display shows an active internet connection and resume syncing normally.